Hi everybody, today we're going to focus on the skeletal areas of the feet as we look at foot reflexology. So I'm going to get comfortable and I'm going to make my feet accessible and visible to you. And the areas that we're going to focus on are the spinal reflexes, and I'm just tracing the spinal reflexes, and it's just on the medial or the midline of my foot, and it goes from the toe down to the heel. And I just thumb walk along that area, and I make sure I support my foot with the other hand as I thumb walk, and I can switch hands as I thumb walk up and down the spinal reflexes. Now, if your thumbs get a little tired, don't hesitate. You can use your fingers. So you can finger walk up the spinal reflexes, and you can also finger walk across the spinal reflexes. Quite easy, very simple. And now let's look at the shoulder reflex. Shoulder reflex is right underneath the baby toe. So if you put your thumb underneath the baby toe, you will have found the shoulder reflex. And I just rotate on that shoulder reflex, and I also thumb walk that shoulder reflex. Now, I showed you the reflex on the plantar side of the foot, but it's also on the dorsal side of the foot. So make sure to give that side some little TLC as well. And you can finger walk that area, rotate that area, or massage that shoulder reflex. Now, the neck reflexes. It is found right by the toe crease, so where the toes bend. And I will get my thumb in there and just thumb walk right across that reflex. I will rotate as well, and I just rotate that area if that's easier for you. And it's very simple. So do it on both feet. Don't forget the other foot. So sometimes I'll change my position. This time I'm just going to cross my foot over my other leg, and I'm going to thumb walk once again up, and now I'm going to thumb walk across the spinal reflex on the other foot. So you've got many variations, many things that you can do. Sometimes, you know, your fingers just aren't in the mood. They're not going to do it. So I'll use my knuckles and I will stroke that spinal reflex, or I will use the knuckles to rotate on that spinal reflex. And it makes it a lot easier for people who are challenged with bending the knuckles in the thumbs and in the fingers. And now I'm going to make sure that I rotate on the shoulder reflex, which is right below the baby toe. And don't forget the dorsal or the top side of the foot. Remember to support your foot with the other hand. And the neck reflexes. I'm thumb walking across the neck reflexes, which are by the toe crease. And you can also just rotate underneath the toes in the toe crease to stimulate those reflexes. And if that's too difficult, then you can use your knuckles and get in there and give them a little rotation. Excellent, easy way to take care of some areas of the skeletal system while doing reflexology on your foot. I hope you try it. Let me know what you think. Please comment below and remember to subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.